This is a homage beat.
YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy D Hyde. Just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Now in this video, I just want to show you guys how I do my simple morning routine. Alright, now as you guys can see, the beard is dripping a little bit because I just got out the shower, but I decided to keep it nice and wet to show you guys how I dry it and show you guys what I put in my beard on a regular basis in the morning and at night. Alright, now if you guys haven't seen my night routine, you can click on the card that pops up. Now all I basically do in the morning, and this is every single morning, what I would do is I would take my shower. Either I would wash my beard if it's my wash day, which wash means with a beard wash, or I would condition my beard, which I do basically almost every day or sometimes every other day, or I would just rinse my beard with water. And what I would do is I would just try to get the beard as dry as I can, but not too dry to where it's still a little damp inside. Alright, just to get all that initial water off to where it's not dripping. Now the next thing that I would do is I will apply a beard oil. Alright, and in this case, I have my Bearded 365 beard oil. Now this is my own blend of Jamaican black castor oil along with some apricot oil, some nice essential oils, and vitamin E. So if you guys want to see the full ingredients or check out the website, you can check it out at bearded365.com. But I've been using my own mixture of oils, I want to say almost a year now, or a little over a year. And just something that I've been using on a regular basis, you know, in the morning for my morning routine and at night for my night routine. Now when it comes to applying the oil to my beard, now the beard is still a little damp on the inside, and I just prefer it that way. But for me personally, applying oil to my beard when it's still a little damp on the inside gives me really good results, all right? So all I'm gonna do now is just apply probably like 3 to 4 drops, all right, on my fingertips. And what I'll do is I'll just rub this together, and I wanna massage this deep in my beard. All right, you want to get it all the way to the skin. But from this point, what I like to do is just take my big afro pick and then pick my beard out from this point. Now as you guys can see, I'm going to definitely get some volume as I start picking out my beard. All right. And for me personally, I always pick down and do this training motion right here with my hand. Now this is a routine that I do on a regular basis. It's real quick. Like I said, out the shower, a little bit of oil, massage it into my beard, get it deep into the skin while the beard is a little damp. Pick it out, try to style it, and I'm on with my day. Now this is a quick, light routine. You're not adding a lot of things to your beard. You're just using the oil out the shower, and then you're applying it, massaging it deep into your skin, and you're out the door. Now, in some cases, and I know a lot of places, you know, it's really cold, like the Midwest, East Coast, but out here in Temecula, California, man, with this bipolar weather that we have, a lot of times I'll just end up using oil. I'll save my balms and stuff like that for, you know, if it's a really, really cold night, or a lot of times when I'm going out on the weekend and I want more hold. But I know for a lot of you guys in the East Coast and the Midwest, a balm would probably be right up your alley, something that you'll have to use more on a regular basis because it's definitely going to stay in the beard and protect the beard a lot more than just oil, all right? Which the balm definitely has all the same oils and stuff in it, except it has a combination of beeswax and shea butter to kind of help lock things in and hold things a little more and protect, you know, against that cold weather, all right? So what I would do sometimes during the week, I would just apply my beard balm, all right? And this is my Bearded 365 beard balm, the Touch of Mint. Every now and then, if I apply my balm during the week, which I hardly ever do, because usually I can just get away with just using oil, but for those days when I want to apply a little balm to my beard, this is what I would do. All I would do is take a dime amount, all right? A dime size amount of the balm, okay? And just basically break this down into my hands, all right? And turn it more into like an oil, like a thicker oil, all right? Now from here, what I like to do is just apply this to the top layer of my beard. Now, if you guys are up there in the snow, you know, and you're dealing with that crazy weather, you may want to massage and get a little more protection with the balm deep into the beard, all right? But for me personally, I just don't like the way the balm feels when it's like thick in my beard. I just prefer to have it on the top coat. And then from this point, all I'm gonna do is just basically just style my beard again. All right, and I'm pretty much good to go. I got that shine that I'm looking for, that hold that I'm looking for, that protection. Now this balm also has Jamaican black castor oil in it, along with jojoba oil, avocado oil, a nice blend of essential oils like mint. When you guys get a chance, feel free to go check out the website, and you guys can check out all the good stuff that's in this balm right here. Now listen, y'all, just want to thank you guys for checking out the channel, checking out your boy D High. To all my new subscribers, thank you for tuning in and subscribing. And you know, here on YouTube, man, there's a lot of bearded channels. All right, the channels are growing, and you know, everyone has their own journey, their own perspective on how they grow their beard, how they take care of their beard, what they put into their beard. All I can say for my bearded brothers that's tuning in and trying to get information, grab what you need from every channel you come by, all right? Maybe someone's talking about something that's a key problem with your beard. Maybe someone's giving you advice on something else as far as a particular product that they use. All I can say is take all that information that's being spread here on YouTube and come up with your own recipe for success, all right? Because at the end of the day, we're all different. We all have different beards, and basically what we're doing on YouTube is sharing our own personal experience, right? That would help someone with either a similar beard or a similar problem. But like I said, man, grab all the information that you guys can grab. May you guys have great success on your beard journey, okay? Great success on your beard journey. I know the struggle is real, fellas. The struggle is definitely real. But don't give up on your journey, man. Embrace your beard, love your beard for what it is. And as soon as you come to grips with that, the better your journey is gonna be, all right? So you guys stay bearded, stay blessed. This is your boy D High. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, peace out.